In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. I hope so all of you will be fine and you are busy for preparation of your exams. So best of luck all of you dear students. So in this lecture we will do exercise 17.1 practical geometry question number 4. बाकी questions we have already done. Just question number 4 was left. So today we will do question number 4. इस वीडियो को आपने एंड तक देखना है। इसमें मैं आपको कुछ स्टेप्स भी बताऊंगी, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन भी दूंगी। सो आपने एंड तक इस वीडियो को देखना है। सो लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। कंस्ट्रक्ट अ राइट एंगल isosceles triangle whose hypotenuse is first part 5.2 centimeter long and its hint is mentioned here. A point on the right bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its end points. Before starting this question, first of all we will discuss its important concept related to question number 4. जी, first concept, right angle triangle. You know that in right angle triangle one angle must equals to 90 degree. So that is 90 degree, it means A equals to 90 degree angle. So rest of the two angles equals to 45 and 45. So you have to add these three angles and it's equals to 180 degree. So next we will talk about here isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangles two sides and two angles will be same. So let's see, ABC is the triangle, its AC equals to BC. Both are having same measurement 6 centimeter. So that is known as isosceles triangle. Now that is known as isosceles triangle because its two angles and two sides are same. Check that. Angle A equals to 50 degree, angle B equals to 50 degree. So 50 plus 50 100 and C angle equals to 80 degree. Observe that two sides and two angles will be same. So that is known as a isosceles triangle. Now in this question here mention about bisector of a line segment. So AB is a line segment and AB equals to 6 centimeter. Whole line equals to 6 centimeter. So its midpoint is 3 centimeter and named as O point. So you have to draw right bisector. Right bisector means makes the angle of 90 degree and divide the given line segment into two equal parts. So OA equals to OB. So you can take any point on the right bisector. So CD is known as a right bisector. I have shown by arrow here. So you can take any point on right bisector like this named as E. So you can check that E to A and E to B. A and B are its end points. So distance will be same because we are standing on right bisector, and right bisector means midpoint. Bi means two and sector means parts. So divide into two equal parts. That is the center point. So we will start the solution of question number 4. Part number first, all the parts will be same. So 5.2 centimeter hypotenuse is given here. So first of all you have to draw a baseline 5.2 centimeter. So hypotenuse taking as a baseline here, that is the rule. So start from 0. After 5 you will count 2 lines. So write its measurement here 5.2 centimeter. It's your own choice. You can take name here AB. You can take any name here C, D or E, F, etc. So 5.2 centimeter you have to draw on here line. Now you have to draw the bisector of line segment AB. So how you can do the bisector here? There are two methods. First of all you will take the midpoint of 5.2. So its midpoint I think 2.6. Now its second method, by compass. How you can draw the line segment? You have to open compass more than half but less than full. It means 5.2, its half is 2.6. So you have to open compass from 2.6. You have open compass from more than to 2.6. So या आसान लफ्ज़ों में आप कह सकते हैं यू हैव टू ओपन कंपास फ्रॉम बी टू लेस देन ए से लेके बी से थोड़ी कम या बी से लेके ए से थोड़ी कम कंपास ओपन करें। ठीक हो गया, ये मैंने ओपन की। सो पुट कंपास एट पॉइंट बी, ड्रॉ आर्क्स अप एंड बिलो। नाउ पुट कंपास एट पॉइंट ए, सो ड्रॉ आर्क्स अप एंड बिलो। सो दिस आर्क इज स्मॉल, so you have to extend this arc. Now you have to get 2 points of intersection here. Now you have joined. That is the right bisector. So this point is named as O point. I will write O here because there is no space below this line. So check that the bisector, it's named as CD. CD is the right bisector. Now open compass from O to A, that is the radius, or O to B or O to A. O से लेके A तक कंपास ओपन करें या O से लेके B तक. ये. Now put compass at point O and draw semicircle like this. Now you have to draw here semicircle. So semicircle touch the bisector at this point named as E. Now join E to A and join E to B. So AE equals to EB. It means two sides are same and two angles will be same. So right angle triangle you have to construct here. So check at point E, this angle will be equals to 90 degree. एंगल ई जो है ये 90 डिग्री का होगा. आप इसको प्रोटेक्टर से चेक कर सकते हैं. ये मेरे पास प्रोटेक्टर है. सो यू हैव टू पुट दिस क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर. ये क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट जो है ये आपने ई पे रखना है और ये जो बेस लाइन है प्रोटेक्टर की ये आपने ए ई पे रखनी है. जैसा कि मैं रखूँगी आपको रख के बताती हूँ. ये देखिए और ये देखिए ये 90 डिग्री होगी. क्लोज करके मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. ठीक है, ये 90 डिग्री 90 डिग्री पे आ रही है. इसका मतलब है कि आपने right angle isosceles triangle you have to construct. Now we will write its steps of construction. That is very important. Now first step, draw measurement AB equals to 5.2 centimeter. Yeah, in other words you can say that draw a line segment AB 5.2 centimeter. Now second, draw a bisector of line AB at point O on AB such that OA measurement OA equals to measurement OB. Next, third step of construction here, draw a semicircle from O having radius OA or OB. Now fourth step of construction here, semicircle cut the CD bisector at point E. डायग्राम का पेज फोल्ड करके मैंने आपके सामने रख दिए ताकि आपको आसानी रहे स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन को समझने में. नाउ फिफ्थ स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन हियर, जॉइन E to A and B. Sixth step of construction, thus ABE is the required right angled triangle. I hope so all of you have understand this question. So all the parts are same like first part, so rest of the parts you will do as a homework. चैनल अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर these videos among the students of 9th and 10th class. So give positive comments to for appreciating to me. So Allah Hafiz to all of you, and take care of yourself, and best of luck for your exams.